Hello, I'm Steve Morris of the Stephen R. Morris Law Firm. The majority of my practice is personal injury. I do a lot of criminal work, some family law, some estates, but the majority of my practice is personal injury. The majority of my cases are in Alabama, but I have some in Georgia also. Probably the majority of my personal injury work is car accidents. But at the same time, we also do product liability cases. We've sued pharmaceutical companies. Some of the cases that I remember is the FinFin litigation, the Vox litigation. I was also involved in the BP oil spill litigation. I worked with another lawyer on that. So we have sued some of the biggest corporations in the world and been very successful. I currently have 3 offices in 3 different counties in Alabama: Calhoun County in the Anniston area, Heflin in Cleburne County, and Wedowee, Alabama in Randolph County. I also handle personal injury all over the state of Alabama. I've got cases from Huntsville, Birmingham, all the way to Mobile. Based on my years of working with personal injury, I see this happen all the time, where a person will be in a car wreck case and it's not their fault, and the insurance company for the person that caused the accident will call them immediately within a few days and offer $2,000 or $3,000 or a little money. And I've seen people make mistakes by settling, signing away their rights to get compensated for their injuries, and they will settle, and then a few months later they're injured a whole lot worse than they thought they were in the beginning. I've known examples where people had to have surgery months later, and they've already settled their case for $2,000 or $3,000, and I've seen it happen many times. And for example, in these 18-wheeler wrecks or some kind of severely injured accident, people will wait maybe several months to seek out a lawyer, but you can rest assured that the insurance company has their lawyers working on it immediately, trying to figure out how not to pay you for your injuries. So you can be at a disadvantage if you don't have somebody working for you immediately, and I've seen it happen where it's detrimental to the victim. I think that's the biggest mistake. But if you're injured, go to the doctor immediately and get those injuries documented and do what your doctor says. If they're legitimately injured, they need to seek doctor's care, and that's how you prove your case with a medical professional, documenting what injuries you have and advising you what the treatment will be, and you need to follow through with that. If somebody is severely injured and they're in the hospital, if they will reach out to me, I will travel to wherever I need to travel to meet with them or their family, and I don't mind meeting or traveling to their town to meet with them and try to help them. If you've been injured in any kind of accident, car wreck, work job accident, or some kind of product liability, please give us a call or call the number on this page, and we'll be glad to help you.